In this tutorial, I will show you how to use character echo. On the speech menu, in the verbosity section, press the character echo button. Character echo sets what is to be spoken as you type. I'm going to change it to echo words as I type. Tick new line announcements if you would like to know when you have selected a new line. Click apply. Click OK. I'm going to use Microsoft Word in this demonstration. Click the speech button or press the hotkey left Ctrl+0.
Capital SuperNova helps with visual impairment. Impairment new line.
To turn off the speech, press the hotkeys left Ctrl+0 again.
Speech off.